Hi guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, we're going to see how to configure the test options in Blackboard. Like how do you able to configure the different kinds of test options and how do you import a test and export a test in the Blackboard. So try to log into your Blackboard and you can see what are the courses that you're teaching for the current semester. I will just go to any one of the course and we'll see first thing is go to the course tools and here you can see the test surveys and pools. So click on the test surveys and pools and here you can see first thing is here you can able to build a test or you can able to import a test. We will see in both the ways how to build a test, how to import a test. I think so there is no test here. Let me go ahead with any of the course that has a test. Okay, so here I have the four tests and here you can see the test that you are building. First you need to build the test, then you have to deploy it to the test center. So first thing is first we'll see the step one, how to build a test. So I have already built up a test. I will show you this what are the different types of question types. Um, so here you can see you can able to like when you open the Blackboard you can see the different types of question types. I think there's almost 17 to 20 question types. So based on your course you can just design the course, design the question types, and there's a helpful documentation in the Blackboard. You can just go through it and find the different types of questions, but basically just you can see the calculated formula. So this is mainly used for the mathematics courses, like if a small soda glass contains X ounces and what would be the answer formula. So you'll get a basic idea. And this is a question based on the true or false, yes or no. So is a laptop processor is same as a desktop processor, yes or no. So this is just giving is a preview of options, like what kind of questions you can able to put it for your students. And this is an essay question type, and this is a fill in the blank question type, and this is a fill in the blank multiple question type. Means there will be multiple options like ABC. The student has to fill what is the answer for A and what is the answer for B and what is the, see you can here also you can able to choose the options of case sensitivity, and there is a option, there is a question type of fill in the blank, and this is a question type of hotspot. Maybe basically you can see you can give the map or you can give some image and you can ask them to spot some location on the image. So you can, and this is a question of jumble sentence. Basically I will give them the option, I will give them some kind of question. I will ask them from the drop down list they have to select which of the option is right or wrong. And this is a matching type, like why we are given the question type, what are the ABCD options, and they have to map it up with the correct mapping type, correct matching type. And this is a type of the question multiple answer, so same as multiple choice, but their answers are multiple options are the answers. And here you can see the correct ordering of the questions. So I given the display order in the correct order. So what is the correct order of the planets with the closest? So this is the display order that is given to the students. And here you can see these are the different types of question types that you can give it to the students. And you can also reuse a set, reuse a question set or something like that. So now I have the question type. I can go back and I can able to export these questions and give it to my course teachers. Like I will just go here, I will export this question. So basically if I want to reuse these questions, reuse this question set in the other course also, I can able to import it. Now I will go to another course 825. I will import the same questions. So I'll just browse my computer. So I'll just go to the downloads where it's exported, and here I'll just click on the zip file what I downloaded, click on submit. So once the test is imported, the package has been processed, the operation has been completed. Now if I go to the test surveys and pools, now I need to deploy that test. So basically the test demo test 4 has been done, the test is not been deployed. So basically what I can do, I can go to my virtual lecture or the content area. In any of the area, I'll go to the assessment, I will click on the test, I will create, since the test is already been deployed, I will just select the demo test 04. What I did is I imported a test and I given the option, and this is a sample test, and here you give the content link description, and here you give the description. So I want to show the test description to the students and test instructions, because I want to know what kind of questions they are going to, what kind of instructions you are going to give it to the students. Open the test in a new window, make it available, add a new announcement, and allow limited number of attempts or allow unlimited number of attempts, force completion. I want to make it, and set timer, how much time you want to give it, of 60 minutes or whatever is it. If I set it on, So 60 minutes, after 60 minutes it's going to auto submit, and they're going to log out automatically and display after at what time I need to display it, and display until till what time I have to display the test. And this is add test availability exceptions is mainly used for the absentee students. Like if you want to add a user or group, so I want to, this student is absent for the exam, so you can just select whoever the students that is absent for the exam one. You can give a new assignment, or you can give the existing one depending on your course assessment plan and self-assessment plan. When the submission, you want to show the answers to the students. And how do you want the test presentation to be, all at once or randomized questions or one at a time, probit backtracking. So these are the different test options that you can give. So one thing we have seen is how to export a test and how to import a test. So we will also see how to create a test questions easily. You don't have to, like suppose now if you want to create any kind of test, first thing is that normally you will go to the test and you need to build the test questions and all those things. You don't have to build the questions one by one. I will show you a simple trick to just put all the questions and it will replicate. See, for the multiple choice questions, you can just put all the things in the Word document, and you can just say the question type, and whatever the answer is there, right, you have to just display the ABCD like this, and whatever the answer is there, just put the asterisk marks. So it's a multiple answer question. I am putting their multiple answers are right, and this is a true or false questions. I'm just putting the answer as true. So this is the format of the Blackboard. So what I will do is I will go to the test generator. There is a website. So this is a website that you need to go to, the resources.online. I will just put this link in the under the comment of my video. And what you have to do is you have to just copy these questions here, whatever the questions that you have, copy these questions and just paste it and click on generate. So now it is generated. Now you have to download this file. So once this file is downloaded, I will go to the test, I will go to the content, I will click on the I will go to the content and I will go to the test, go to assessment, click on the test. So here I will create a new test. This is a sample. Click on submit. Now I want to upload the questions. So what I will just do, whatever the questions I downloaded, so I downloaded this Blackboard test1.txt. This is a file I downloaded, and points per question is 1 mark or 10 marks based on your, just click on submit. Now the questions has been uploaded. See, you can see the questions, and you can compare the questions from the Word document. It has completely imported. You didn't type it and you didn't paste what is the question, what is the, just you made a Word document with the given answers. The answer is given, answer is specified in the asterisk. If it's a multiple answer question, you given the different like you given the asterisks in multiple answers. If it's a true or false, you just given the option as true as one. And if it's a matching question, whatever the correct matching order, you have to just specify it. And if it's an ordering question, you have to specify the correct answer. And the essay question, you don't have to give anything, you just have to specify the question and the question will be displayed. So like that, we have multiple question types, like the 17 question types. You can just go and check out the help file. You can easily generate all the questions without typing it in the Blackboard, and you can just import these questions and you can just give it to the students. So the kind of import, this is we generated a questions using this Blackboard test question generator from this website, and we downloaded the file and we just came to the test center, we uploaded the question from here. So that's a simple thing. So that's how you can able to import a test, export a test, and you can able to importing and test is from here, test surveys and pools. This is like you are importing a set of only one set of questions, like you can see here, demo test 4. You can import a test, but if you are importing the questions of different types, you can use this one. So that is what the difference between the importing and exporting a test. And I hope this video is clear for you, and if you still have any kind of questions or comments, please write in the below comment of the video. And thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care.